Your brain is amazing. It's more complex than any computer. It controls everything you do. Thinking, learning, and remembering all start in your brain. The brain is a network of billions of cells. These cells talk to each other using electric signals. This is how we think and remember. Have you ever wondered how you remember things? Memories are not stored in one place. Different parts of your brain work together to create and store memories. This is what makes your brain so special. Let's explore some of these amazing parts. Imagine your brain as a giant puzzle. Each piece of the puzzle is a different memory. These pieces are spread throughout your brain. They are not all in one place. Different parts of your brain store different types of memories. There's a place for facts, another for skills, and yet another for feelings. Some memories are short-term. You need them for a little while. Then, your brain might forget them. Other memories are long-term. You keep these memories for a long time. Your brain decides which memories to keep and for how long. Deep inside your brain is a part called the hippocampus. It looks like a seahorse. The hippocampus is very important for making new memories. It's like a busy workshop. It takes information from your senses and turns it into memories. Think about learning to ride a bike. The hippocampus helps you remember the steps. It remembers how to balance and steer. Over time, these memories become stronger. This is how you learn new things. Section 4. A Library of Memories Cortex. The cortex is the outer layer of your brain. It's kind of like a giant library for your memories. Once the hippocampus forms a memory, it sends it to the cortex. The cortex stores these memories for a long time. Think about your favorite childhood memory. The details of that memory are stored in your cortex. The sights, sounds, and smells are all there. The cortex helps you recall these memories when you want to remember them. Section 5. Emotions and Memories. Amygdala. The amygdala is another important part of your brain. It's shaped like an almond. This small but powerful part controls your emotions. The amygdala helps you remember emotional events. It remembers things that made you happy, sad, or scared. Think about a time you were scared. Your heart raced and you felt afraid. The amygdala remembers this feeling. It helps you recognize danger in the future. This is how your brain keeps you safe.
Sleep is important for our health and well-being. When we sleep, our bodies and minds can rest and repair themselves. Just like we need to clean our homes regularly, our brains need to clean themselves too. This happens when we sleep. During sleep, our brains get rid of harmful waste products. Think of it like taking out the trash. Sleep helps our brains stay healthy and work their best. While we sleep, our brains go through a cleaning process. It's like a detox for our brains. This process removes toxins that build up during the day. These toxins can be harmful if they stay in our brains for too long. Sleep allows our brains to get rid of these harmful substances. This helps us think clearly and improves our memory. Our brains have a special system for removing waste called the glymphatic system. The glymphatic system is like a network of pipes that carry waste products away from the brain. This system is most active during sleep. When we sleep, the glymphatic system flushes out toxins, including a protein called beta amyloid. Beta amyloid is linked to Alzheimer's disease. Getting enough sleep is essential for our brains to function properly. Good sleep hygiene means having a regular sleep schedule, creating a relaxing bedtime routine, and making sure our bedrooms are dark, quiet, and cool. By prioritizing sleep, we allow our brains to clean themselves effectively. This helps prevent the buildup of harmful toxins and keeps our brains healthy in the long run.